point from the team from Kasibid. Okay, Pangan, bigay kay Pangan, balik kay Windboy, Pangan, Nugget. Rebound the ball, para kay number 25, Rojas. There's an awful play. Take over ni Jok Pangan. Piling manaliling ang pasa. Reverse layup wala. Tanggalang on the rebound. Boss break, play and steal. Rojas ngayon siya magtatawid. Quick cross, ball, mag-drop pass kay Lalim. Delos Reyes, Nugget. Rebound, para kay jersey number 8, is her time. Bigay para kay number 25, time back again. Coloma, drop pass, Tanggalang. Okay, shot clock, age 15. Coloma, step back and fire. No, number 35. 20 seconds on the shot clock. 8 in the shoot. 15 on the shot clock. Pangan, ball fake, drop pass, and naman. Bumay ngayon, 10 on the shot clock. Okay, Mace, strong mitigation.
Jok manalilin eh.
Jok manalili na. Wala pang bumubutan. Shot clock 20. Desertan, zigzagging na naman. Wala. Agawan ng bola, mapupunta kay Rojas. Rojas, no! Okay, 20 seconds on the shot clock. Coloma bomb, Omega shot. Look it, 10 and a putback, good 30. That's the 3-0.
Shout out Marlon.
First basket na rin magagaling from the Samsung Sports, Mr. Pangan. Shot clock 18. Shoots up and fire. Look it. 10 on the rebound. Outlet pass na naman. Dara kay number 25. Dan. Save the ball. Recover. Cross down sa ilalim. Castigon at mapapalakas ang pagpasa. Out of bounds tayo. On 7 minutes and 59 seconds, Rojas ang tatanggap. 20 seconds on the shot. Balik yan para kay number 30, Mr. Pangan. Back again to Joe Pangan. Cross pass deflected. Tumama kay De Los Reyes. Napaganda na naman. Good kid. 4-0. Steal. Recover. Shot clock 20. Drop pass ay lalampan. Good. Bumutas na rin ang team ng Jok Kasibid. Coloma, drop pass and steal. Para kay Mr. Pangan. Baseline. Right. Drop pass ay lalam. Number 30 down. Ball. Recover and pass. Labas kay Buhay. Trips and put line. Good for 2. Ang i-5-4 na yun. Change favor na tayo. Isa na ang kalabangan. From Jok Kasibid, Coloma, basket count yan. May kasama bang bells, number 45, Buhay. First conduct, first team bell. What a shot from the Rainbow Country at may pasabit pa na foul. Tingnan natin ang bonus shot na manggagaling mula kay Gab Coloma. Okay, the bonus one wala. Agawan ng bola. Out of down. Okay, blue ball. Okay, down the ball para kay number 25, Mr. Rojas. Bigay para kay Mr. Jok Pan. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Cross pass sa gitna. Number 3, De Los Reyes. Good it. Battle of the rebound. Mapupunta yan para kay jersey number 8. Intercepted. Stick back and a drop pass. Sino naman tayo. Gab Coloma. Tinigada ng bomba, binigay sa ilalim, gandang pasa, good. 9-5. 20 on the shot clock. Pangan. Hey, ball, drop back, come on, good. And the rebound and an intercepted. Deflect, recover. Number 13, may pagawang na tayo. Ang ipinawang para kay number 20, Mr. Jasalang. That's the first personal foul. Team foul number 1. 19 seconds on the shot clock tayo. Buhay. Bounce pass mula kay Pangan. Gandang ball fake. Babaan ng tira. Wala. Put back na naman. Hit 30. 9-7. Okay, 20 seconds on the shot clock from the wrong silang ni Coloma. Gid. Nakaapak sa guwet. 11-7. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Bungay, bigay kay Mr. Pangan Menamas. Pass na bangay. There's a whistle na tayo. There's a contact foul. Number 25, Mr. 10. Okay, first contact. Second team foul na tayo. Shot clock 14. Inbound the ball number 13, Mr. Pangan. Bigay kay Pangan. 12 on the shot clock. From Managar. Wala. 5 minutes and 25. Tan, bigay kay Coloma, shot clock 20. 18 on the shot clock. Quick crossing Mr. Coloma, drop pass again. Ilalim lang yan. Ilalim lang tayo. Ilalim lang. Foul number 45, Bungay, dalawa. Next 5 na tayo. Okay, dalawa na yan kay Mr. Bungay. Pangalawang team foul na rin natin para sa team ng Jok at Sibud. Second 5, pasok na. Okay, 14 seconds on the shot lang tayo. 14 seconds to shoot. Okay, beyond the ball, balik kay number 23, Sarmento. Bigay para kay number 18, Vizcaino. Balik kay Sarmento. Bigay lakal, lilaw. Gagit. Put back, wala. Agawan ng buko. Mapupunta yan para kay number 26, Guzman. Quick cross and a bounce. First hit, 13. 11 to 9. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Cross pass, Elon and bomb. Seal, out of bounds. Okay, down the ball number 10. Baguio, binigay kay number 7, number 0, rather, Mr. Ernest. 20 on the shot clock. Nasa kay Guzman, the Mr. Lapti, ang atake, wala, mapupunta kay Yao. Bigay na naman kay Sarmento. Bomb, big, drive, shot, no. Hit back, wala. Recover ni Sarmento. Yeah. 13 to 9. 20 seconds on the shot clock. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock, Itali. Shot clock 8. Bagid. Daniel Curry down again out of bounds tayo. Balik ang ball position natin para sa team ng Ramson Sport. Okay, 20 seconds on the shot clock. Vizcaino, bigay kay Sarmento. Balik kay Mr. Vizcaino. Ball fake and a quick cross. Drop pass, ilalim. Saktong-sakto, wala. Mr. Yao. Winters here. 15 to 9. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Number 0, Ernest. 18 to shoot. 15 on the shot clock. The Guzman from the long range again. Rebound by Sarmento. Break play. Vizcaino ngayon sa backhand take ng onte. Looking for the main. Nakita si Yao sa ilalim. May pagtulak ngayon. Number 26. Okay, foul number 26. First contact. 13 foul ba lang tayo. Shot clock 15. Pasa Yao. Drop pass. At mapapatawag ng timeout ang Jok. Ball marking is Rudy Guzman, bigay para kay George, number 0, Mr. Ernest. 20 seconds on the shot clock. 15 seconds on the shot clock. High ball dance, line, field, bounce break, play. Recover para kay Mr. Sarmento Bob. Okay. Carrying the ball na. Tama lang yung tawag, idol. Tama lang. Rocky on the short block. 15 on the short block. Using the screen, broadcast sa gitna. Option na bitawa, recover ay the one deflected lang nila. To the next 10-25, this kind of a shot. And toss. Wala. Yaw. Good. 2 minutes and 15 to this man. Ball, fake, seal. 2 minutes and 10, number 18, Biscayno, quick cross, there's a whistle, there's a contact, foul, number 0. Warning, full penalty pa lang yan. First personal foul, warning, full penalty. Seconds on the shot clock, Biscayno maging down, bigay kay Sarmento. Pass to Biscayno, shot clock 15. And on the shot clock, it's 10. 1 minute and 45. 20 on the shot clock, number 0, Ernest. Shot clock 15 to this man. Cross pass on the ball, they play that same ball. Shot clock 11. Vitalik ngayon na maging down. Bigay pa na kay Jersey number 26. The play that recover. Biggest one 8 on the shot. Ball fake, drop pass. Recover sa ilalim. Bakio, wala. Rebound the ball. Recover number 10. Put back na naman, wala. Put back na lang pa rin. Off sa Minama. Agawan ng bola. Shot clock 10. The back tag na naman ni Luis Lopez. Bounce out lang nila. 1 minute and 5. Shot clock 8. Off down. Number 27. First contact, penalty na yan, tatlong tira. Nakabumula para kay Mr. Biscayno. Hit. Okay, second shot na tayo, jumper ready. Pangalawang tigana. Good. Okay, last shot na tayo. Jumper ready na yan, brother. Uling kinam na maghumula kay Biscayno. Okay, 1 minute exactly. Good. 3 out of 3. 20 on the shoulder. 55 seconds. Recover. Biggest one. Tansa. Bigay. Fake. Kitalik. Foul. Number 27. First contact, second team foul pa lang yan. 49 seconds, shot clock 14. Number 10 on the game, down, bigay pa rin ni Ricky Talik, 12 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. May pag-foul na ba para kay number 28. Okay, first one down, there's a 13 foul pa lang, shot clock 14 tayo.
Mag-smile ka kasi, par.
Kitalik, bigay kay number 3. 10 on the shot. Ernest, Volpe, shot clock, each side, do the pass. Intercept there, the pass, let's play. There's the 3 starters with 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Shot clock 18. 20 seconds, 15 on the shot clock. Casino, ball fake, labas kay Oxford, bigay kay Kitalik, 10 on the shot clock. Okay, that's the air ball. 10 seconds, time remaining. Wala na tayong shot clock. 8 seconds, Biscayno. Okay, penalty na yan. Foul, number 10. Penalty na tayo, first contact penalty. Okay, the first shot, good, led to 8 to 9. Second shot na tayo, jumper ready, 7.3 seconds, time remaining. Pangalawa tigata mula kay Biscayno. Wala. Rebound para kay number 10, 5 seconds, Pila Lamont, 3 seconds. Wait for the passer. Okay. Wait lang, idol. 10.4 wait for the buzzer. I'm down the road of the seven, bigay na naman para kay number 9, the service China. Okay, shot clock 18. 15 on the shot clock, Sandalong, fade away. Wala. Right now para kay Rebe Demetrial. Pass na naman para kay number 3, Mr. Dallas Reyes. 18 seconds on the shot clock, quick cross, shot, right shot, Clippers here. 20 seconds on the shot clock. This kind of ngayon, siya naman tatawin ang bola. Pass ball na naman kay number 27, bigay kay number 20. Shot clock 14. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Sandalong, Nugget. Okay, pass ball na naman kay Mr. Smith. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Rebe Demetrial. Nugget, rebound. Dallas Reyes, there's a foul. Number 20. Okay, first one down, Mr. Aces City. Rebound, number 1, shot clock 14. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Ball na naman, shoots up and boy, Nugget. Mr. Castro yan, sila magtatawin ng bola. Shot clock 20. Bomba, balik kay Castro, short stop. Woo! 20 seconds on the shot clock. Into the shoot. Ball bumigot. Pass. Ball lang tayo. Foul number 27. First conduct. Team foul number 2. I'm down the ball there, but I number 10 is Dallas Reyes. Beginning at about the number 4 Smith. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Shot bang. Then the quick point. Labas kay Rebe Demetrial. Wala pa din yan. Time is there. This kind of cross pass number 27 shot. Ay, out of bounds tayo.
Pare, sige. Take time.
And then it's at 10 seconds, number 4, Mr. Smith. Pass ball and on to number 3, Dallas Reyes. Pinama, quick cross, Agatame. Good first here. 31 to 30. 8 minutes at Charlie. Number 9 is final. Pass ball naman to number 20. Sandalong. Bigay na naman kay number 27. 15 on the shot clock. Pass from ngayon. Launches a 3. Nugget. Tanggalang and a put back. Wala pa rin yan. Dallas Reyes. Pass ball. Down Tangan. Point sa bitawan. Nagawa ni cover. Drop pass. Dallas Reyes. Perfect shot. Good here. 30 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 9 is Skyner. 18 seconds to shoot. Drop pass. Tanggalang sa ilalim. Recover. Reverse. Wala. Rebound. That is first made. Bigay niya naman. Rebe Demetrial. Drop pass. Get it down. 12 seconds. Number 7 is 7. Timeout. Thompson Sports.
Shout out, Ken Santos.
Okay, bonus shot na tayo. Jumper ready. Okay, bonus shot. Jumper ready. Okay, body shot wala. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. 20 on the clock. Steal. Smith. Thomas shot. Good Brazil. 31 to 19. 7 minutes and Kali. Counter steal. Alright, balik ang bola natin. Para sa game ng Jock at Tibet. Shot clock 14 on down. 40 to shoot. 40 on the shot. Pangan na mag-game down. Bigay de los Reyes. Alright, yellow ball now. Yellow ball. Alright, down the ball para kay number 20. Sino ito bigay para kay number 9. This will be China. Pass ball naman and steal. Bigay mo na naman. Okay, number 3 ko Los Reyes. Good lang yan. Looking for his teammates de los Reyes. Pass ball na naman. Smith. Shot clock 18. 15 on the shot clock. And Los Reyes second. This guy. Tackling in the ball. There's a pass break play. Number 20. Tangalong. Good Brazil. Amatay sunog. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Robert Demetrio. Bigay kay Jock. Pangan. Bigay ulit kay de los Reyes. Good Brazil. 33-21. 5 minutes and 55. This China. Okay. Bravo. Alright, 40 to shoot, 40 seconds on the shot clock lang tayo. Shot clock, 40 lang yan. 40 to shoot, 40 on the shot clock. 5 minutes and 49 is the bang and the beginning down. The game number 4 is first mate. Shot clock 10. Pan, bake, right, fake, and pass. Shot clock is 5. 3 on the shot clock. Tumama. Nesetian is good to on the rebound. Foul. Number 39. Wala pa tayong penalty. 13 foul lang yan. First contact. 13 foul. 5 minutes and 33 seconds. 13 foul lang tayo. Okay, down the ball. Number 2 is number bigay para kay number 20 is good to cross pass. Number 13 is Rick Castro. Okay, there's a whistle na yan. Foul number 9, Del Rosario. First contact. Second team foul pa lang. Second team foul. Shot clock 20. Okay, down the ball, Bondo. Back again. Usually the China. Shot clock 18. 15 of the shot clock. Quick cross. Ball fake. Steal. Leg cover. Out of bounds. Leg cover. Shot clock 10. One and a bit. Good. 100. Last fight na yan. 33 to 23. Last fight na yan.
Baba ko Ryan! Baba ko Ryan na boy! Ay, pare. Hold lang mo yun, ulit.
Number 3, pass to the slip Paloma. Oh, Tampa tackling the ball on cross pass again. Number 1, Mr. Yao. Pass ball and steal. Against Mangay on bit. 20 on the shot clock. Number 13, Pasa Coloma. Shot clock 15 yan. Coloma setting the play. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass ball. Number 13, Boyer. Bang! 4 minutes and 35. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Pass ball at the bottom of this man. Back again to number 0. Earn the call. Bang! 20 seconds on the shot clock. Sana magtatawin ng bola. Coloma. Behind the back. Quick cross. Shot clock 15. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Yao. Steal. Pass break play.
Sa kabila to.
Okay, pass ball naman. Tangan. Quick cross. Raw pass sa kalaban. Coloma ngayon sa back and fire. Again, rebound para kay Mr. de Guzman. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Sana magtatawin ng bola. Ang atake sa ilalim. Pasigaw na kay Berza. Foul na yan. Para kay number 4. First contact. Warning for penalty. Third clock. Warning for penalty. Alright, the third shot again. Bigyan natin ang pangalawang jumper ready. Okay, pangalawang tikada mula kay de Guzman. Jumper ready na yan. Okay, the pangalawang tiro, wala rin counter na yan, Mr. Ansgar Pagong. Bigyan natin cross basket Coloma. And on the shot lock. 8 on the shot lock. Coloma drop pass. Number 4, pull-up say. Wala, tumama. Estigon. Sa ilalim, Blanca ang minabot. Agawan ng bola. Action nila kay number 0. Shot lock 20. Wala naman, de Guzman. With 13. 36. 28. Wala na lang. 7 minutes into the final for Coloma. Shot lock is 18. Coloma, quick cross, bump, fake, shot, nugget, rebound, Coloma, recover, shot lock from na naman, 10 on the shot lock, 8 to shoot, drop down sa ilalim, pass to God, good, kaya, drop the shoot. On the shot lock, steal, Castigon bigay ni Coloma, pass break play, counter steal. 7 minutes and 20 seconds, 20 seconds on the shot lock of this man, drop pass, good call, bigay and shot, good break. 38 to 30. 7 minutes and 10 seconds, this is Coloma. Shot lock, ace 18, Mafia Coloma, big over and pass, Castigon. Shot lock 14. And on the shot lock, using the screen, Umikot, fake, drive, shot and pass, wow, here, 40, to 30, 1 minute and 45 seconds, 18 seconds on the shot lock, 50 to shoot, 10 on the shot lock, off the nugget, rebound, number 4, pasa kay Coloma, shot lock, 20 on, sa napagtatawin, ball fake, quick cross, drop pass, and steal. Hangan, Bigay, steal, stable. 1 minute and 17 seconds, shot lock, 19 lang yan. One minute and 17 seconds, 19 seconds on the shot lock of this man. 15 seconds on the shot lock. 10 on the shot lock, fake, cut back and fire. Draw and breathe the long down. 1 minute exactly. 22, 30 to 32. Shot lock 20 on Coloma. 18 on the shot lock. Wala. Shot lock is 15. 50 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. Coloma, Omega, drop pass. Wow, at may pagsundot na. Number 22, Oxen. Wala pa tayong penalty. 13 foul pa lang yan. First contact, 13 foul. First contact, 13 foul tayo. 14 on the shot clock, 42 seconds. Castigon na naging bound, looking for the mate, labas kay Yao. Launches sa 3, nugget. Out of down, 36 seconds. Okay, down the ball, number 0, bigay kay Guzman, back again to number 0. 20 seconds on the shot clock of this man. Shot clock 18, 30 seconds. And Rogers a three. Wala. Nagsigaw sa Lucky Spin. 20 seconds. Paloma. Take. Pump. Shot. And a pass is down. Number 93, Mr. Coloma. First contact, Coloma. Okay, 16 seconds. Wala na tayong shot clock. 15 seconds. With his hand. 12 seconds. Second, last 10. Last 8. Jamba, last 5. Last 3. Wait for the buzzer. First mid. 20 on the show of Pangan. Bigay na naman kay Dolores Reyes. Full of J. Walo. Battle of the rebounds and gone. Pass na naman para kay Mr. Vizcainer. 20 seconds on the show. It's a time. 20 seconds on the show. Pangan. 15 on the shot clock using the screen. Pan, labas kay Smith, makes communication. Line down the ball now para kay jersey number 27, Mr. Lopez, fastball and steal. Smith, wala. Carlos Reyes, and a foul. Tayo dyan. Given by number 25, Mr. 10, second personal foul. Team foul number 1. Ang ating pace of the night, walang iba, Mr. John Lloyd Lalik Halbu. Bigla mo na, Dol. First shot here. 33-46. Tingnan natin ang pangalawang tigana mula kay De Los Reyes. Ang tigana. 10. 20 on the shoulder. Cross pass sa ilalim. Asmir. Basket down. May kasama bang bell para kay number 25, Mr. Rowan. First shot up. Team foul number 1 para sa ating both team. Here. Time.
Shout out, Boss Jones.
Shot clock is 15. Take and a ball, quick cross, upset drop pass, another shot clock, bomb and shot. Different here. 49, 36. 20 seconds on the shot clock, Vizcainer. 18 on the shot clock. Saktong-sakto yan. Shot clock 15. Vizcainer, labas kay Tan. Ball take na naman na kay baseline na yan. Nakaapak na sa buwet ang... Okay, down the ball tayo dyan para kay number 4, Miss Smith. Bigay na naman mula kay Doug Pangan. 20 seconds on the shot clock. 8 in the shoot. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Kitalig sa Pangan. Balik kay Kitalig. Bomba na gar. 3. 49, 39. 10. And a passive foul. Number 25, Mr. Dan. Tatlo ka na. Okay, 40 to shoot lang tayo. 40 on the shot clock. May sira yung poging sura ng job-job marami ito rin. Metaris yung bagay. 40 on the shot clock. 12 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Seconds. De Los Reyes. Put back. Wala. Drop it. They go to the outside. Looking for teammate cross basket time. Shot clock 20. This final. Hit blanket. On the down. Okay. Down. Wait lang. Pag-uusapan na referee yan. Okay, update ang ating bell para kay jersey number 27, Mr. Lopez from our sportsmanlike ship bell. 3 minutes rest ka muna, idol. Babalik ka ng 4 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes rather. Okay, 4 minutes and 26 seconds. Okay, 2 shots plus ball to the ship. Okay, good.
Dalawa yung pumasok.
Yes, sir. Metong yan po. Metong. Itang metong bomb shot siya. 49 to 40. Palitan niya na si Lopez. Okay, pasok na. Okay, nag-rep. 14 na lang ang ating shot clock cleared. Para sa team ng Brock at Seafood. Kitalig bigay. Pangan. Balik kay De Los Reyes. Ball take. Shot. Nugget tumama. Pumasok pa. 49, 42. 7 minutes and 15 Vizcaino. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Cross pass, Mr. Tan. Long up my penalty by Mr. Ron. Second personal foul, team foul number 2. Substitution. Okay, nabigay na. Tambay mo na. Third shot pumasok. Tingnan natin ang pangalawang tigada pag pumasok. Sam. Okay, wala. Tambay mo na. 7 minutes extra. Okay, pass ball mo lang kay Kitalik. 20 on the shot clock. Bigay kay Tannen. Quick cross. Ball fake. Drop back. Roll up. Third wall. Buta ka na Aser. Ngayon nagmamadalo. Drop pass kay Aser. Wala. Kitalik. Counter steal. Nabitawa rin cover ng labas. Para kay Miss Ricky Talig. Ang atake. Ball fake. Fake and pass. Ay lalim. Shot. Down. Number 7. Substitution. Asne and Mr. Tan. Labas muna.
Pag-free throw yan.
Tingnan na to. Sino yung sa'yo? Roas out. Okay, tingnan natin ang 2 shot na magmumula ulit kay Mr. De Los Reyes.
Sab na yung boto nito. Walo lang.
Okay, good. 50 to 43 second shot. Double ready. Tingnan natin ang pangalawang tigada. Wala. 6 minutes and 30. Paloma 20 on the shot long Vizcaino. 80 to shoot. Cross pass lang nila. Ball fake. Right. Is wala. Dito mama. 10 on the shot long. Sarmento. Fake. Shot. Hit. 52-43 Paloma. Shot clock 20. Counter steal. Tanggalan ngayon ang David. 54 to base of the line, Mr. Ron Tanyon. Ay now, ang viewing idol. 6 minutes exactly ang natitira para sa ating third quarter. Okay, down the ball number 39, Mr. Job Tannen because he's made balik kay Mr. Tannen. 20 seconds on the shot clock. 80 to shoot. 15 on the shot clock. They go small, by staying good. Di tumama, reverse shot, tumama na yan. Ay, yellow ball. Okay, katarap. Okay, 39 Tannen. Kitalig out. 5 minutes and 41 seconds in down the ball, Mr. Coloma. Tingay na naman para kay Mr. Vizcaino. 20 seconds on the shot clock, setting the play. Pass ball at about kay Sarmento. Quick cross.
43-54. Lamang po yung kulay yellow.
Angat ng 13 point. 20 seconds on the shot clock of this man. Quick cross and a pass. Counter steal. Pass break play. Vizcaino. Good. Alright, 5 minutes and 12 seconds. 5 minutes and 10.
43-58. Lamang yung yellow.
Third
quarter. Third quarter na.
Using the screen, pass ball and take. Balik kay Guzman, number 10 on the shot clock. Offset, wala. Rebound, Langan Lilaw. Agawan ng bola, mabubutayan kay Langan Lilaw. Pass ball, Sarmento. Shot clock 20 kay Biscayne. Quick cross away. There's a carrying the ball na yan, idol. Saktong-sakto lang ang tawag. Tamang-tama. Nabitbit mo na ang bola. 4 minutes and 40. Shot clock 20. Erne, pass ball. Take. Shot clock 8:15. There goes Mon Nuggets. Rebound ba daw? Barangay number 7 deflected. Oxen gandang pasa. Basket it down pa yan, idol. May kasama bang bell? Barangay number 20. Sanggawang substitution.
Third quarter na
Ay,
po.
Sanggalang labas muna.
45-58. Lamang
Dalawa
yung
na yan
yellow.
na lang kay Sanggalang. Pangatlong team foul na tayo from Samson Sports. Bonus shot. Jumper ready. Adwa. Okay, bonus shot na tayo. Jumper ready. Bonus shot mo lang kay number 10. Wala. Rebound para kay Mr. Yao. Deflected kay Mr. Panan. 12 on the shot long. Buta tangin na bot. Agawan ulit. 8 on the shot long. Steal. Coloma. Okay, 20 seconds on the shot long. And get the shoot. Wala. Rebound. Tignan sa kanya ngayon sa naman ng bola. Behind the back of the street. Cross na naman ang atake. Good here. Time out. Samson Sports. Okay, number 18, this guy number game down. The guy para kay number 93 is Rico Oma. 3 minutes and 15 seconds, 20 seconds on the shot clock. Coloma cross passing alam may cover para kay Sarmiento. Shot clock 15. Quick cross and a ball fake. Open. And kay Lalim, Lahali, Lau, buta pa, Acer. Shot clock 10 na lang yan. 10 seconds to shoot, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Down the ball behind is Rupert Steiner looking for his teammate. Cross pass, Coloma. 8 on the shot clock. Titigagan ng bombo. Bang! 20 seconds on the shot clock. Number 0, Erden. Shot clock 15. Pass ball para kay Pangan. Ball fake, baseline drive. Sirduak, buta tangin, abot kay Yao. Agawan ng bola. Recover na naman. 5 on the shot clock. Nuggets. Rebound ba daw? Okay, team ball pa rin yan. Substitution. Number 22 out. Oxford. Shot clock 40 lang tayo. 40 to shoot. 40 on the shot clock. Okay, down the ball number 10 ngayon. Daki o maging down. Bigay sa ilalim, deflected. Nakalilaw, pass break. It's final. It's here. 63, 47.
63-47. Lamang yung yellow.
26 seconds na. Bigay kay number 0, Erne. Pass ball kay Pangan. Shot clock is
63-47. Lamang yellow.
Bigay na naman de los Reyes. 10 on the shot clock. Nuggets. Rebound Sarmento. Pasa kay Coloma. Cross pass with Steiner. Aliot. Curry. Wala. Mr. Yao. Redbird here. 3 minutes and 10. Shot clock 20. 18 on the shot clock. Biggest man. Shot clock 15. Eric. Quick cross. Drop passing lang number 10. Ang gawa ng bola. Intercepted lang ang Lilaw. Bigay kay Biscayne. Cross pass kay Yao. Atake sa gitna. Gandang drop pass and steal. 1 minute and 50 to Guzman. Ang atake ngayon. Drop pass to Los Reyes. Bomb and shot. Good here.
Mamyalong yung man. LBA Live, oh. Yo.
1 minute and 35 seconds. 18 on the shot, Diploma. Pasa kay Vizcaino. Shot clock 14. Big. 10 on the shot clock, Yao. 8 on the shot clock. Basketball Sacramento. 5 on the shot clock. Again, Yao on the rebound. Good. 67-49. 1 minute and 10. Pangan, big eye. Pangan, pass. Takio, balik kay Guzman. Step back, pull it big. Good first here. 1 minute exactly. 55 seconds. Recover na naman ni Coloma.
Patay.
Umigot na naman. Drop down sa gitna. Good first here. 38 seconds. 45 seconds. Shot clock 20. De Los Reyes to Pangan. Balik De Los Reyes. Ball fake and pass. Shot. Good. Agawan ng bola. Mabukutan ni Mr. Yao. Pass ball na naman kay Coloma. 30 seconds. Sarmiento. 50. Good. 25 seconds. Shot clock is stepping on. 20 seconds. Pangan. 18 seconds. Drop down to Los Reyes. Upset. Visual. Good. Rebound, flip back, wala. 12 seconds. Last 10. Coloma. Bomba na yan. Last 5. Last 3. Right for the buzzer. Burton, that's Thompson Burton.
51, 71, lamang yellow.
Timeout.
51-71.
The ball number 8 is returned. Bigay para kay number 25 is returned using the screen. Wing pass kay Sanggalang. Balik kay Tan. Zigzagging. Labas kay Tan. Launches a three. Bagit. Sanggalang sa Iloli. Wala. Agawan. Recover. Para kay Mr. Sanggalang. Drop pass. Casigon. Shot clock. 8. Good pass here. Napaka-buenas. Bumpa, cross pass, steal. Tanggalang na naman. Sa may yabok. Right, cross pass, down. Good. 75, 61, Pangan. Shot clock 20 out the line of Pangan. Pass ball, Rojas. 15 on the shot clock. Pangan, big, ball, right, drop pass, stand the shoot. The man 3 out, 8 on the shot clock. Itali, 5 on the shot clock. 3 on the shot clock. Pangan, good. Basket down. Basket play, Castigon. Balik kay Tan, inisi ang bola, shot clock 18. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. 10. Cross pass. Bomba. Pull up three. Look it. Way down na naman para kay Sanggalang. Look it. Agawan ng bola. Agawan na naman. Castigon. Save the ball. Steal. Pangan. Pass break. Play. It's Doggett. 20 on the shot clock. Made it a shoot. 17 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. 8 to shoot. 5 on the shot clock. 3. 8 minutes exactly na dapat tayo. Shot clock 18 10. 15 on the shot clock. Quick cross. Umigot. Right. Big side down. Number number 25, Tan. Apat ka na, sir. First team foul tayo. Apat na. Ano yung foul mo? First quarter, third quarter, at dua, tas metong fourth. Okay, shot clock 40, Kitalig, bigay kay Pangan, quick cross, Roy, drop pass, Bulka, wrong, 3, Nugget, di tumama, 5 on the shot clock, 3 on the shot clock. Shot clock, violation, substitution yan. Okay, sub tayo dyan, para kay jersey number. Dito, 20. Okay, Demetrian out. Nino pa yung natong. Oh, punta na. 7 minutes and 34 seconds. 20 seconds on the shot clock. That's to go on the 10. Shot clock 18. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Drop pass sa gitna. Ang Castigo na bitawan ay gawa ng bola. Mapupunta yan para kay jersey number 13. Shot clock 3. It's Vegas. Tumama. Reset. Jolas on the rebound. Para bang tatawin ng bola. Nagmamadali. Quick cross. Bomb and pass. Under C. Nagawa ng bola. Recover. Put back. It's hit. Okay, Castigo na mag-game down. Bigay para kay number 27. 6 minutes and 55. Outlet pass. Malaki 10. Iniksi ang bola. Shot clock 18. 15 on the shot clock. Bombo. Pull up. Nugget. Lay down the ball mula kay Rojas. Ang gawa ng bola. Pass ball na naman. Doon ka nakita si Mr. Carlos Reyes. Nugget. 6 minutes and 30. Shot clock 20. Tan. Pasa. Sangga long. Good. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Shot clock is 18. Quick cross. Ball fake. Drive. Rise it off. 2 Nugget. 10 na naman. Banza para kay Dan. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Sangga long. Good. Time out.
Okay lang, may ganun naman, no? Okay lang, may ganun naman.
6 minutes and 5 seconds. 20 on the shot clock. Quick cross. Big small. 2 drop field. Okay, Tan. Pero magkatawin na bola. Quick cross na naman. Cross pass na naman. Number 2. Ngayon na may awag. Cross pass ulit kay Tan. Shot clock is 15. Tan. Quick cross. This ball steal. Pass big play. Number 3. Big eye. Smith. Okay, out of there. And down the ball to the ball, but number 13, back again to Mr. Tan, again to Mr. Tan. 20 on the shot clock. Pass ball to number 4, shot clock 15. Steal, biggest man. Pero magtatawin ngayon ang bola, drive it off, Nugget. Pass ball. 5 minutes and 10, 12 minutes on the ball, shot clock 18. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. 10. Drive. Shot. Nugget. Time on the rebound. Pero magtatawin ngayon ang bola. 20 seconds on the shot clock and down to the legs. Goal bank shot. Nugget. Pero may foul na tayo. Who's ball up? Here's the number. 13. Third contact. Second team foul na yan.
Done. Stop daw.
Okay, first shot Nugget.
Parehong tan.
Tan.
Parehong tan. Gusto natin nilog na lang.
Okay na good. Time. Bomb. Shot. Good. 4 minutes and 40. Steal. Out of down. Stop. Time out. Time out. Time out. Dalawang time. Labas muna. 27 out. Si Tawik. 4 minutes and 36. 20 seconds on the shot clock. It's second. Way down to the ball, they go in the ball, they go to the ball. On the pass ball, the ball, outlet pass. Number 30, initiate ball, they get the right transfer. They strong mitigation. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Stop. 27, Kitalik. Stop. Number 3 out. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. 20 seconds on the shot clock. 15 on the shot clock. Only good for 2. Shot clock 18. Paloma beginning on the forward field. Prospect play and a penalty on by number 4. Okay, first contact. 30 pounds up. Number 4 out. Okay, down the ball by number 13, Mr. Panman. Pass ball to number 0, Ernest. Bigay pa to this man. Baseline drive, drives it off. Polari, down number 10 and a putback. Wala pa rin na, nagawa ng ball. Putback and the ball, there's a foul. Number 27. Second contact, winning 4 penalty. Kid. 3 minutes and 38.
Shout out, Romel
3
Bawanan.
minutes and 33 seconds. 14 seconds on the shot line dial. 40 to shoot. 14 on the shot line.
Shout out, Romel
Okay, number 10
Bawanan.
na maging down. Bigay pa rin number 25 to this man. Quick cross at the ball. 10 on the shot line. Kumingot through the up field. Okay, Paloma. 20 seconds on the shot line. 8 in the shoot. 15 of the shot line. Paloma. Ball Banagar. Magid. Second and combined. Take over and pass. Number 26 to the small. Set up with Tampa Web. 18 on the shot line. Drop pass and a steam. May through Paloma. Out of the yellow. Bounce pass on three. Out of bounds. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. 20 seconds on the shot line. Number 4 Snake. Joy. Kabitawan. Steal. Agawa ng ball. Number 13 Panan. Stop and palm. Drop pass. Snake. Step back. Hand on the shot line. Steal. Osnek. Shot line 20 is yung ball. Pass ball naman Castro. Shot line 15. Boy. Shot. Clear. 2 minutes and 20.
Bar.
2 minutes and 15 to this man. Shot clock 18. Bomb, fade, shot, good for 2. 2 minutes and 5. Lock. 2 minutes. Okay, foul number 26. Tom. 4 out. Lopez out. Second contact. First foul. 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Long. 2 minutes. Shot clock 20. 80 to shoot Paloma. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Steal. Boy. No one on the ball. They go over to the ball. Shot clock 8. 5 on the shot clock. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Boy. Cross pass at the ball. They on the Bullet Bay, wala.
66-87, lamang yung yellow.
Shot clock 20.
66-87.
18 to shoot. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Aspen, right. Drop pass at the ball. 1 minute and 13 players. Down na lang tayo. Kala-kalala na mo players, ha? Good. 1 minute and 7. 1 minute and 5. 20 on the shot
Shout
clock.
out. Romel Bawanan, Manyaman. Anong boss
15 on
recto?
the shot clock, Castro. Kala-kalala na mo players. Shot clock 12. Steal. 48 seconds. Pass ball, drive, big and shot, good. Okay, 87 to Sabenti. 43 seconds. Paloma, pass kay number 13. Drop pass kay Tan, balik kay Asne, wala. Okay, rebound, balik kay Guzman. Steal ni Tan, shot clock 12. Good. 33 seconds. Dandan na lang, Blair. 30 seconds. Ay, para sa ating third runner-up from the team, Job Bullers. Hybrids pala. Para sa ating third runner-up from the team, Hybrids.
Boss, meron. Boss, manager. Boss Mike. Kaya biya ka picture ka rin, no?
But, okay, para sa ating second runner-up, team, Job Bullers. Okay, Tito John David, para si po ang ating award. Panay tayo, Tito John. Boss Ben.
Linumeniko ang kay. Linumeniko ang
Babab John!
Alang sound. Atin nyo!
Dar, lisip namin nyo. Wala yung ano, ikay. Boss Benz! Wala yung ano. Marisin na yun.
Okay, para sa ating second runner-up for the team, Job Bullers. Panantay pa Tito Jun.
Yeah, first runner up.
Okay, now let's proceed na tayo para sa ating first runner-up of this season. Congratulations, let's round of applause from Job Kasipan.
Marami daw ganun.
Sige na. Basta na.
Ako na lang.
Basta tanong mo pa ako, no?
Okay, now proceed muna tayo para sa ating
Ibang game. Pero,
vertical fight. From the best guard, dalawa ang nakasungkit ng ating vertical fight for the best point guard. Wearing jersey number 93, Mr. Tom Paloma. And wearing jersey number 28, Mr. Jola Charmento. Dalawa ang ating vertical fight for the best point guard.
Paloma, tsaka Sarmento.
Paloma o si Mr. Jola Charmento.
para ibang yung mag-like.
At ito Charmento. Charmento.
Para ibang yung mag-like.
Sino talaga? Sabi na lang. Sabi na lang. And now, proceed naman tayo para sa ating best shooting guard. Nag-iisa lang. From the team, I bring Mr. Ron Cocktail. Ang ating best shooting guard.
10 piso dito.
Okay, para sa ating best small forward, dalawa rin ang mga sungkit. From the Jock Kasipud, parehas na parehas. Mr. Chad Kitalig and Mr. Jose Pangan, ang ating best small forward.
Yan pala mag-MVP yan.
Mr. Kitalig and Mr. John Jose Pangan, Jok Moral.
Sabi na lang. Sabi
Picture.
Jok manalili.
Pada round.
Sabi tapos single boy.
Jok manalili.
Single. Jok single. Jok single. Jok. Ay, para sa lang.
Ulit jok manalili.
Single, may tungkol.
Para sa ating best power forward, isa lang ang nakasungkit. Mr. Stephen Dwayne Oxen, ang ating best power forward. That's just now.
Solid niya.
Kung Carlo, nakakabali. Mali kayo. Mali kayo.
Para sa ating best center, dalawa ang nakasungkit. Isa naman para sa team ng John Bullers at isa rin para sa team ng Samsung Sports. Wearing jersey number 11, Mr. Elizer Ponta. And wearing jersey number 1, Mr. Yao Gilas. Ang ating best center of this season.
Yo, Gilas! Pamili ako yung inyo. Pamili, halwaan niya.
And now, proceed na tayo para sa ating season MVP of this season 2 exclusive papawis. Walang iba, scoring 20 points from Doc Pasipos, number 3, Mr. De Los Reyes. Sagli mo dal, pati ta sapatos mo, syempre. Ati ka sapatos kanya.
Raps, guys.
Sponsored yan by Mr. Glenn Samson. Dito lang yan. Sa GHPL, XPBL, Papawis lang ang merong sapatos na libre. balls. And now, proceed na tayo para sa ating champion of the season 2. Let's go out of the glass from the Samsung Sports. Okay, proceed na tayo sa gitna ng Samsung Sports and take a picture and receive na natin ang ating trophy. May kasungkit mo rin na Bosslet. Baka naman sa patas. Sana all.
Nanito, boss. Nanito, boss.
Ay, Karen, ano? Okay na rin ang kahit mo. Punta na ang kahit.
And now our finals will be wearing jersey number 25, Mr. Rob Pan. Ating finals. Congratulations! Maraming salamat sa pagsali of this season. Sana ay maulit pa to. See you next season.
Tulong mo na kayo. Libo.
Best coach, son. Best coach. Best coach, kabilaan. Wow. Bobby, wow. Boss Glenn, ang Bobby yan.
Siyempre for our additional award for the best coach, walang ibang ang piling manalili ng Bell Award, Boss Aren Bungay and Mr. Glenn Samson. Receive na ang ating trophy for our best coach, Mr. Aren Bungay and Mr. Glenn Samson. Baka naman, anta, size 8.5, kulay black or pink. Ay, tamedyas. Hindi mo rin. Hindi mo rin. Kametong.
Okay na, okay. Stop pushing na, please.
Baka naman, Boss Glenn.